everybody, it's Patti and Debbie again from Print and Pixel Studio. And today it's just going to be kind of a short little video, but basically what it is it's a thank you video for everyone who is liking and subscribing our YouTube channel. And as well as not only just the YouTube channel, but also Instagram and Facebook, TikTok.
Pinterest.
Debbie's a social media person, so. But anyway, it's a thank you, and what it is it's a free little set of some things that we thought you might like. We're going to leave a link in the description below to our Ko-fi, I guess that's how you pronounce it, shop. We're just opening it up, so it's a new experience for us, and we're not too sure exactly how it works yet, but anyway, we're going to list these in there, and there'll be a link in the description down below. You just click on that, it'll take you right to this pack, and you can just download it for free as a thank you for all your support. We really appreciate it. And our goal is we're trying to reach, and I know this is a big one, but we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers so we can go live and do live crafting videos. That's kind of our go-to goal here. But anyway, in the meantime, we sure do thank you all for your support, and I'll stop talking about that now and get to this little kit. So this is the kit that you get. You have the little envelope here, which is this piece. And we went ahead and put them together so that you could see how they turn out. And then, of course, this little card that fits right inside so that it's perfectly aligned so the flower shows through. But, you know, I thought it would be cute if you had dried flowers, you could put those in here too. I went ahead and put a piece of cellophane in there to make a little window for it. And then we backed them with some vintage documents that we had, and it makes a cute set. And then this piece is actually this pocket here that is pretty simple to self-explanatory how to put it together. It's pretty simple, just the back piece, and then you have the pocket piece with the little tabs on it that you fold in. And so it gives you plenty of room to put anything inside. And then Deb took some of the pieces. We have another set that we're selling on Etsy, and it will be on Ko-fi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Ko-fi. Anyway, whatever it's called. The set that we have for sale is called Vintage Wallpaper. And these little add-ons will coordinate with that set. So you can take a look at that too, and if you're interested, great. But if not, we designed this so we thought you could use it with, you know, a lot of things you already have at home for your journals, because the colors are pretty neutral and easy to design with. But the little bird is from our kit that's online. And then Debbie made this, and she backed it again with some vintage document paper. And I love this one. This one she just used vintage document paper, and she did it on an old playing card. And then she used the dotted Swiss netting, which really, I think, really sets it off. It's super cute. So there's a lot of cool ideas that you can do with this kit. And it's real simple to put together, just scissors. It would be great if you had an X-Acto knife, but we had one, but the blade was dull, so I ended up cutting it out with scissors. And you can see still it came out fine, no problem. So if you don't have that, it's not necessary. Now, I will say one thing. I would back the envelope. I would back the back of the paper, and from here up, I would put a backing piece on there. This one is backed with another piece from our coordinating set, and then I just inked the back of it, which worked too, so, you know, whichever works for you. And then, let's see, it comes with tags. It comes with there's two different sizes, and then a couple plain ones, because the set also comes with some little ephemera pieces. Now, when you see these, you go, oh my gosh, those are big. But the reason I made them this size is because then you can put them in your printer and you can print them off 50%, 75, whatever you want. And that's what we did here. This one I did at 75% reduction. And then these little guys are 50%. So depending on what you want to use it for, you can get all different sizes just from the one large sheet that comes in the kit. So that's really it. That's our whole video for today. And oh, and this little piece, we designed this because we thought it would be neat backed on two-sided tape to make washi tape or a trim, a paper trim on the edge of your paper in your journal.
Belly band. It could be
Belly
all
band.
kinds of
Yeah,
stuff.
right. It's totally up to your imagination. And then, of course, you get a couple butterflies naturally. But we hope you like it. And like I say, there'll be a link below so you can link right over and download it. And like I say, it's totally free. It's a thank you from us to you for all your support. So we'll see you next time.